rectangular beam of size 250 by 500 mm 250 by 500 mm overall consists of 4 bars of 22 mm dia in tension zone the beam is simply supported the beam is simply supported with 6-meter clear span 6-meter clear span determine moment of resistance and 2-point load at 2-point load at L by 3 span. Okay, solve this problem. You need to calculate what? Moment of resistance. In addition to that, you need to calculate 2-point load at L by 3 span. Okay, calculate it. Step-by-step procedure I've explained now. First, write down the given data. Step 1. Step 2, calculate XU. Step 3, calculate XU limit. Step 4, you calculate, compare XU and XU max. Observe which section it is. Then go for moment of resistance equation. Then go for what? Point load calculation. Do it fast and tell me. Step-by-step procedure. Follow it. That's why I've explained you. Okay? That is step 1. Write down the given data. What are all the data they have given? That is given data. Okay? Width they have given 250 mm. Depth they have given 500 mm. Okay? Consists of what? 4 bars of 22 mm dia in tension zone. Okay? Calculate AST. AST equals to 4 bars of 22 mm dia. How much AST value?
1520.5.
12
1520. 53.
1520.53 mm square. Okay, this is what your AST. Next, from that given data, what you can calculate? Effective depth, right? Effective depth, it is given by what? Overall depth minus effective cover. Effective cover, it is given by what? Clear cover minus of the dia of that bar plus. Okay, that is minus clear cover minus of the dia divided by 2. Calculate it. Overall depth, it is what? 500. Take clear cover it as 30 mm minus dia of the bar, it is 22 divided by 2. What will be the effective depth?
Five five nine. Sorry, 459.
Okay. 459 mm. Okay, in some of the problem, they are going to give that is the effective depth and the effective cover they are going to specify. From that, you need to calculate overall depth. Okay, effective depth minus effective cover. Oh, sorry, that is effective depth plus effective cover. You will get overall depth. Okay, and the last previous problem you solved. First step it is over. What is the second step? Calculate XU. XU is given by what? 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK into V value. Calculate XU value.
ಇದು M29 ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ check it out 1 second. Okay, take FCK equals to, okay, take FCK equals to that is 4 on 5. Okay, and this FCK equals to 20. Okay, take it as FCK equals to 20 and Fy it is 4 on 5. Okay, calculate XU value. How much?
$304.99.
Okay, 304.99 mm. Okay, third step, calculate XU max or XU limit. Observe the grade of steel, it is 4 on 5. So that 4 on 5, XU limit or XU max equals to how much? That is K into D. K is what? 0.48 into D value is 459. Calculate XU limit. 220.3 mm. On to the fourth step, compare XU with XU max. Move on to that is step 4. Compare XU and XU limit or XU max. XU is what? XU is greater than XU limit. Then section is called it as what? When XU is greater than XU limit, the section is what? What is that section? That section you call it as what? Over reinforced section. If it is over reinforced section, you need to replace XU by what? XU limit. Okay, you need to consider XU by XU limit. Okay, when it is over reinforced section, okay, next is what? Step 5, moment of resistance, right? Okay, if it is over reinforced section, okay, you need to replace XU by XU limit. Now to calculate moment of resistance, equation is given by what? MU limit equals to 0.36 XU max divided by D into 1 minus 0.42 XU max divided by D into BD square FCK. BD square FCK. Substitute the value. MU limit equals to 0.36 XU max by D value for Fe4 and 5. It is 0.48 into 1 minus 0.42 into 0.48 into B value is 250 multiplied by depth value is 459 square into FCK value it is 20. Calculate now MU limit. How much? 145.3 Newton kilonewton meter, right? Okay. Next you calculate. Okay, up to here the first part it is over. That is the moment of resistance calculation. Next you need to calculate what? Magnitude of 2-point loop, which is acting at L by 3 span. Okay. In order to calculate that magnitude, you need to convert this factored load into a, factored moment into a working moment. Okay, calculate it. M equals to what? MU limit divided by 1.5. 145.3 divided by 1.5. That will be equal to what?
96.9.
96.9 kilonewton meter. Once you calculate this, okay, you need to go for working load calculation. You know that service moment equals to what? Moment due to dead load plus moment due to live load. Okay. What I specified, it is a rectangular beam. It's understood it is simply supported rectangular beam. Okay. Dead load, it is always in the form of UDL. Write down the dead load. Intensity of the dead load, call it as WG. Okay. Next is what? Live load. Live load, it is what? 2-point load. Okay. That is 2-point load. Call this as WQ. Okay. Which is acting at a span of what? L by 3 on either end. Okay. Then this value also it is L by 3. Total span of the beam it is what? 6 meter. Okay. First you calculate intensity of this WG, dead load. WG equal to what? Area multiplied by its density. Cross-sectional area it is what? 0.25 multiplied by 0.5. Take the density into 1 into density, take it as 25. How much WG value?
3.125.
3.12 kilonewton per meter. This is what your WG. Okay. Okay. What is the moment due to dead load? Okay, we'll do it here only. Okay, next is what? You need to calculate WQ value. You know the standard formula. If the 2-point load acting at a distance L by 3 from the left as well as the right support, the moment equation it is given by, I will write it directly, the standard formula, M equals to moment due to dead load is what? It is in the form of UDL. It is WL squared divided by 8 plus moment due to live load. It is a 2-point load which is acting at L by 3 on either support. Okay. The formula it is given by the standard formula, that is WQ into A value. You know the formula. Okay. A is nothing but what? This is A value and this is also A value. Okay. A is nothing but here L by 3. Substitute that. WQ into L by 3 value, that is WG L square divided by 8. This is what your M value. Substitute M equal to 96.9 and WG value it is 3.12 into span it is 6 square divided by 8 plus the standard formula. If a 2-point load carrying, okay, 2-point load acting at a distance from the left as well as right support at a distance A. A is nothing but here L by 3. The standard formula, this is W into A value. A is nothing but here L by 3. Okay, substituted. This is the standard formula. Okay, now calculate WQ value. Substitute all the value and calculate it. 51.4 kilo Newton. The magnitude of 2-point load, that is WQ, it is what? 41.4 kilo Newton.